My name is Shahid. I am working as Associate Product Manager in Thomson Reuters. I have completed my MBA in Technology Management from Institute of Product Leadership. Developing a products from initiation to delivery. So this was my first motive, and working in hands-on experience from industry experts. I love trying to solve real-time problems and taking that into a market. This was my main reason to choose a product management as my career. The reason why I chose this program was mainly one-to-one mentorship with the industry practitioners. The second reason why I chose this program was connecting with an industry experts and trying to solve real-time problems with their experience as well as me. The third reason why I chose was the Talentathon. Mainly we used to try to solve the real-time problems where we can showcase to the panel members and try to get hired. Where we can showcase our the skills in the Talentathon and to the hiring managers, and we will be getting hired. The one thing I used to enjoy from this program was we used to connect with the fellow alumni members and trying to solve their problems. Hands-on experience, learning by doing, not by learning theoretically. We used to have a real-time experience while we are learning.